Hello developers, today we'll scrap Amazon's products data to get the reviews, rating, description, title, photos and all such details. Now, if you've ever tried scrapping Amazon, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different beast in production. If you try to do it at scale, you will see pages that come back half loaded or do not load at all, Amazon captchas, rate limits, pages that require residential proxies to scrap. So these are not actually bugs on Amazon website. This is actually the anti-bot system of Amazon catching you. Now, let me show you how you can easily get Amazon's products data and get as much data as you want with Pagination and use sorts as well. So you can get whatever data you want in whatever order you want. So let's start. To get these data, we are going to need to use Python, and to make our life simple, and so we don't have to write any complex selector code or use any proxies, we are going to take help of an API called Amazon Scrapper API by Omar Cloud. So this API has got 200 plus stars on GitHub and it's really popular and used by a lot of developers. So this API has endpoints to get the search results and products data. So we are going to be needing to use that. So let's start with the search results endpoint. So we are going to be hitting this endpoint. So let me just copy it in here and paste it in here. And I will be getting data for developer stickers. So these are developer stickers. Let me just show you. We are going to getting these kind of data. So let me just add it as query. And we're going to get it from Amazon.com, which is a US Amazon. So Amazon has India, Amazon is in Canada. So you can enter country code to whichever Amazon you want. So I'm just gonna hit send to get this data. Now I've got back the response. So as you can see, let me just see if it matches what's in here. So this matches and this also matches. But see, the thing is the order can be different because depending on your location, Amazon's can give you different, but still it is the exact same data. So all those things matches as it is in here, but the order is a bit different. That's it. Now let me use Pagination to get the second page data. So I'm just gonna enter page 2 and hit send. So I've got back the response. This is the second page response. So let me just go to the second page and see how it feels. So this is the same data as you can see, and we have got the exact same data, but order is still different. That's acceptable because it varies, okay, by location. Now let me also get the sorted by, let's say, price. So if I go to documentation, then there is a thing called sort by parameters. So let me just use that and sort it by lowest price. Let's see the cheapest deals on Amazon. So I've got back the results. Let's see how it fares if I see that. The first page, sort by price low to high. Now, yep, it matches. Same thing is in here. It matches this, and also it matches this. So yeah, we have accurate Amazon data. Now let me get detailed Amazon data for one of the stickers. I want to get for a good sticker that has a lot of reviews, kind of, okay. So this thing has an ASIN, okay. So you can find the ASIN in here. This is its ASIN. So using this ASIN, we are going to be getting the data. So let me just paste it in here. And there's a details endpoint in here. I think this is the one. Okay. So we're going to be hitting this. And for the ASIN, I'm going to use this ASIN of developer stickers. Now let me hit send. So I've got the data for this ASIN. So let me see how it fares. So, yep, reviews, rating, this all matches. And so we have whatever key features that are there, like all of these details we have, okay. We also have variations. It has like multiple variation it has got. So we have these as well, so like the programmer variation, like the Bitcoin variation. So data is really accurate and matches whatever data we want. And we also have got this reviews thing, and the same data it's in here. So as you can see, we have got detailed Amazon data. Now, if you want these kind of Amazon data and you want to make your life simple, and so you don't have to write any complex selectors or use any proxies, then you can find the API link in the description. You get 100 requests free every month, and it's built by Omar Cloud, so, which is quite popular website in the field of web scraping. And it has got 14 plus reviews on Trustpilot, and this API itself has 200 plus stars on GitHub, so it's really good API. You have seen the data quality from yourself. So yeah, you can try it out. Thank you and have a great day.